SEO is the easiest way to reach to your target audience in 2026. It is easier to get your content to reach to a wider audience and stand out easily in 2026 on TikTok than never before. On this video, I'll go step by step showing you how to optimize your videos for SEO on TikTok. In case you're new here, hi, I am Sarah from Haven Digital, a digital marketing agency based here in Kenya, where we help businesses and brands keep up with social media. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button, like and share, and in case you have any social media needs for your business, hit us up. Our email and number are on the description box. So what is TikTok SEO? TikTok SEO simply means optimizing your content so it appears when people search on TikTok. And yes, people are searching on TikTok the same way they're searching on Google and here on YouTube. They search everything, for example, how to go viral, how to bake, how to make money. If your content is not optimized, TikTok doesn't know who to show it to. And that's one of the reasons your videos are getting no views, go to the wrong audiences, and they do not have engagement. So how do you do it? It is important to understand your target audience first. TikTok SEO starts with understanding your audience. Ask yourself, whom am I creating this video for? What problems do they have? What are they searching for on TikTok and also on other platforms like YouTube or Google? What do they expect to see when they search that topic on TikTok? For example, a bakery business versus a kayak business. Those are two way different audiences, and as a business owner, you need to understand your target audience. If you're in the bakery business, what are people searching for in your field? If you're in the cars business, what problems do people in that business have? What are they searching for? What do they expect to see when they tap into TikTok? Another example, a business owner and a student, both creating content, have way different audiences. To win on TikTok SEO, apart from knowing your target audience and understanding them, you must know what people are searching for. How do you go about it? You go on TikTok search bar, start by typing your topic. As you type in your topic, TikTok will auto suggest search phrases. Those suggestions are real searches. That's what people are searching for or are looking for on TikTok. For example, if you type TikTok ads, you will see TikTok ads tutorial, TikTok ads for beginners, TikTok ads. Such terms will be suggested to you. These are the exact keywords you should be using in your content. After you've understood your target audience and known exactly what they are searching for and gone onto TikTok search bar and seen what exactly they are searching for, all the keywords that you're supposed to be using, how do you specifically optimize your content for SEO? The first one and the most important is you say those keywords in your video. TikTok listens to what you say. If your topic is TikTok SEO, say it in the video. I'll show you how TikTok SEO works. This helps TikTok to understand your content and send it to the right people. The second part is you use your keyword in on-screen text. Add the text on the videos. For example, TikTok SEO explained how to rank high on TikTok. TikTok SEO for beginners. This will reinforce your topic and the keywords. The third part is you write SEO friendly captions. On the captions part, make sure you use your keywords. Include your main keywords. Be clear and specific. Explain what the video is about, making sure you use as many SEO as possible. For example, how TikTok SEO works in 2026. If you want more views without ads, this is for you. Now the fourth part is making sure you use relevant hashtags. Hashtags helps TikTok categorize your content into different niches. Use niche hashtags, topic specific hashtags. For example, TikTok SEO, TikTok growth, digital marketing. In most cases, as a business, avoid using trending hashtag or random hashtag on your captions parts. The fifth part is make content people expect to see. When a person searches for a topic, they usually have expectations. If they search TikTok SEO tutorial, they expect education, clear steps, practical advice. And if you post dancing, vague motivation, off-topic content, people will scroll immediately, and when people scroll, TikTok stops pushing your video. And the final thing, and I know you've heard about this, is consistency. TikTok SEO is not instant. You need to post consistently, track your video, double down on what works. For example, if one topic performs well, create more content around that topic. Consistency. I'm sure you've heard about it. And what I tell business owners to grow on TikTok as a business, you need to stop guessing, understand your audience, understand what they're searching for, optimize your content for SEO, because on TikTok the right content will always beat random content. And anyway guys, that is it. It is as simple as that. That's how you optimize your TikTok content for SEO. And always remember, in 2026 TikTok is the easiest platform to optimize for SEO. And guys, in case you have a question, drop it down on the comment section and I'll see you in my next video.